I received this Roth ID Tag Emergency Contact Identification Kit as a gift, and I wanted to show what it is and talk a little bit about how it works. This system is designed to attach to a child's car seat and provide emergency contact information that can quickly be accessed if there is ever an accident or emergency situation. The idea behind the product is to help first responders quickly identify a child and reach family members or emergency contacts as needed. The concept behind the product is really powerful, and the story behind why it was created is honestly really sad. That story is what inspired the system in the first place, and it really highlights why having something like this could be important in certain situations. The kit comes with tags and components that directly attach to the car seat. It also includes 4 ID cards that you can put your kid's name and date of birth and any relevant allergies or information. So then the people that are getting the call from the first responders can easily access that. Say, like if you have a grandparent of the child that doesn't fully remember their date of birth and you want to make sure in an emergency situation they have that information, you can give that card to them and then they will have it on them at all times. When I went to install this, one thing that took a little bit of time was finding the right spot on the car seat. Most car seats have a lot of manufacturer labels and safety information printed on them, and I didn't want to cover any of those important labels. So I spent a little time looking for a place where the tag would be visible but wouldn't interfere with any of the original safety information on the seat. I did eventually find a spot that worked well, but of course, I happened to decide to install these on a rainy day, which made things a little bit more interesting while working in and out of the car. Once everything was placed, though, the system itself is pretty straightforward. It's designed to stay attached to the car seat so the information is always there when the seat is in use. Overall, I really like the idea behind the product. It's a simple system, but the purpose behind it is really meaningful. Having emergency contact information easily available on a child's car seat is something that could potentially help in an emergency situation, and it's a thoughtful concept built around improving safety and communication if something unexpected ever were to happen.